Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix task manager not responding. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click System. Right-click New DWord 32-bit value. Right-click New DWord 32-bit value. Disable task MGR, D, and T are capital letters. Change value data to 0, click OK and exit registry editor. Restart system. Second method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit. Click and expand administrative templates. Click and expand system. Click Ctrl-Alt-Delete options. Open Remove Task Manager. Make user check not configured. Restart system. Third method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Type right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.